To support campus-wide innovation, experimental research, and creative activity at Lindenwood University, every year a select number of faculty applicants are awarded with a Pride Fund. This internal grant allows them to test new ideas, conduct groundbreaking research, and infuse innovation into the bedrock of the student experience. The following project is one of 6 that were funded this year. Faculty members Rebecca Panagos and Kyle Coble led the growth of Empower2Families, an app providing planning resources particularly for families with children with disabilities.
Back in 2012, we started a new program here at Lindenwood, a Master of Arts in Early Intervention in Autism and Sensory Impairment. And I was working with families who were feeling so overwhelmed with just beginning the process of working with professionals to help them with their young child. My heart went out with them, and I thought, if they can get everything down on one page, then maybe they will see all of their strengths, the things that are going right, and then also look and see their challenges. Then see all their networks of support. The purpose of the app is to empower families to monitor their child's progress and to advocate for services for their child. So they sit down, they make this themselves. It's applicable to anyone who wants to more actively manage their life. Kyle and I connected, and I told him about the app and where we were wanting to go with it. He immediately gave it to a class, and the class produced a market plan. From there, every semester, one of Kyle's classes has adopted the app and taken it a step further, built on the last class. So it's all been Lindenwood developed, Lindenwood created, reiterated. There's a lot of people that have been involved in this. Years ago, parents relied on the experts just to give them the information. And about 20 years ago, we changed into family-centered practices where parents now take the data. So they're that involved and they monitor the progress, and that's what's really the most exciting.